As a homeowner in New Orleans, you're no stranger to the city's hot summers and mild winters. While the climate is one of the reasons so many people love living here, it also presents challenges when it comes to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. One of the easiest and most effective ways to manage your home's temperature and save on energy costs is by upgrading to energy-efficient doors. Energy-efficient doors are a smart investment for homeowners in New Orleans, providing both immediate comfort and long-term savings. Here's why you should consider making the switch to energy-efficient doors for your home. Lower utility bills. One of the most significant benefits of installing energy-efficient doors is their ability to reduce your utility bills. In New Orleans, temperatures can soar during the summer, leading many homeowners to rely heavily on air conditioning to keep their homes cool. Traditional doors, especially older models, may have gaps or poor insulation, allowing cool air to escape and hot air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Energy-efficient doors are designed with superior insulation to create a tight seal around your home, minimizing the transfer of heat. This helps to maintain a consistent indoor temperature without overburdening your air conditioning system. By improving the thermal barrier between the outside and inside of your home, you'll notice a reduction in your cooling costs during the hot months. In the winter, these doors will also help retain warmth, reducing heating costs and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Increased comfort year-round. In addition to lower utility bills, energy-efficient doors create a more comfortable living environment. Gaps, drafts, and poor insulation in traditional doors can make certain areas of your home feel cooler in the winter or uncomfortably warm in the summer. The tight seals and insulating materials used in energy-efficient doors help eliminate these temperature fluctuations, providing a consistent and pleasant indoor climate. During the summer months, energy-efficient doors help keep the heat out and the cool air in, ensuring that your air conditioning system doesn't need to work harder than necessary. This leads to a more comfortable home without the constant battle to keep the temperature consistent. Plus, since these doors reduce air leakage, your home will feel cozier in the winter without having to crank up the heat. Enhanced durability and long-term value. Energy-efficient doors aren't just beneficial for your home's comfort and energy efficiency, they're also built to last. Many energy-efficient doors are made from durable materials like fiberglass, steel, or composite, which are more resistant to the elements compared to traditional wooden doors. In a climate like New Orleans, where humidity and saltwater air can cause wood to warp or rot over time, these materials provide a much longer lifespan. In addition to their durability, energy-efficient doors add value to your home. When it comes time to sell, homebuyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient features that reduce long-term costs. Investing in energy-efficient doors now can increase your home's marketability and overall value, making it a smart investment in the long run. Environmental benefits. If you're looking for ways to reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future, energy-efficient doors are an excellent choice. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you're reducing the overall demand for heating and cooling systems, which, in turn, lowers your home's energy consumption. This not only reduces your utility bills but also decreases your overall environmental impact. Choosing energy-efficient doors that meet Energy Star standards ensures that you're making an eco-friendly choice without sacrificing comfort or performance. Reducing your energy consumption means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, making your home a more sustainable part of the New Orleans community. Aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient doors don't just provide functional benefits, they also enhance the overall look of your home. Available in a wide range of styles, colors, and materials, these doors can complement any architectural style or personal aesthetic. Whether you prefer the classic look of wood, the modern appeal of steel, or the low-maintenance benefits of fiberglass, there are energy-efficient door options to fit your home's unique style. New doors can also boost curb appeal, making your home more attractive to visitors and potential buyers. Since your front door is one of the first things people notice, installing a stylish, energy-efficient door can significantly enhance your home's exterior. Noise reduction. In a vibrant city like New Orleans, where street noise, festivals, and traffic can be a part of everyday life, energy-efficient doors also help with noise reduction. Many energy-efficient doors are equipped with insulated glass and solid core construction, which not only improve thermal efficiency but also act as sound barriers. This means that external noise will be less likely to enter your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Smart investment for your home. In New Orleans, where the weather can be unpredictable, upgrading to energy-efficient doors is a smart and practical decision for homeowners. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, increase comfort, or boost curb appeal, these doors offer a range of benefits that make them well worth the investment. Not only will they help save money on energy bills, but they'll also improve the overall functionality and aesthetic of your home while contributing to a greener environment. By upgrading to energy-efficient doors, you're not only enhancing your home's performance but also making a long-term investment in its value, comfort, and sustainability.